Okay, guys, again, this is going to be in parts, so this is just going to cover Unit 2. So Unit 2 is talking about transformations. We are looking at the reflection rules. So our reflections, we are first going to reflect over the line YX, or reflect over the x-axis, I'm sorry. So that is going to make our y value negative, or opposite. So if it's already negative, it will now be positive. Reflecting over the y-axis, we are going to change the sign for our x coordinate, and then reflecting over the line y equals x. So we're going to just switch the place of our x and our y coordinates. So first problem says it's reflected over the x-axis. So find the coordinates of the vertex of x prime. So our x point here is at 1, 5. We are going to apply the rule of flipping over the x-axis, so x negative y. So that means we are going to have our new point, 1, negative 5. All right. Number 8 says we are reflecting over the line y equals x. So y equals x, we are reflecting the point y. So for 3, our rule is yx. Sorry, wrong spot. Our rule is yx. So that means we're going to switch places. So our new point is going to be 3, 4. All right, number 9 asks us to reflect over the line y equals negative x. We didn't do that one, but the rule for that, it's going to change to negative y, negative x. So we are going to take our point z, which is 6, 5, and we are going to switch places and make both of them the opposite sign. So negative 5, negative 6. All right, some rotation rules now. 90 degrees. 90 degrees is going to be negative yx. 180 is going to be negative x, negative y. And 270 is going to be y negative x. So we're going to take these points, we're going to rotate these points. So x, we're going to rotate x over 180. So we're going to take 1, 5. We're going to apply the rule negative x, negative y. So we're going to have negative 5, negative 1. Our next one, we're going to rotate 90 degrees, and we're going to rotate y 90 degrees. So we're going to have 4, 3. We're going to be applying the rule negative yx. So that means our new point, we're going to have negative 3, 4. And then on number 12, we're going to be rotating 270 to point z. So we're going to take 6, 5. Rotating at 270 is y negative x. If we do y negative x, we're going to get 5, negative 6. All right, rotational symmetry. So we can break this into 3 congruent parts, 1, 2, and 3. So we're going to look at a total rotation is 360. So we're going to take 360. If we divide 360 into 3 parts, then we're going to get a rotational symmetry of 120 degrees. All right, number 14. So number 14 says RST has vertices of negative 2, negative 2, negative 4, 1, and 1, 6. If it's translated so that R prime is at 6, 0, write the rule and find S prime and T prime. So R is originally at negative 2, negative 2, and then it changed to 6, 0. So to get from negative 2, negative 2 to 6, 0, our x is going to have to add 8, and our y is going to have to add 2. So we're going to take this rotation rule, and we are going to apply it to S and T. So S is at negative 4, 1. If we take our rotation rule of x plus 8, y plus 2, we are going to be at 4, 3. So that is our S prime. Then we have T is at 1, 6. So if we add 8 and add 2, we're going to end up at 9, 8 for T prime. So that is it for number 14. All right, on 15 through 17, choose the transformation. So which transformation is used to transform from T to T, T to T double prime. So that one is a flip. So that means it is a reflection. Then we're going from T to T prime. That one's going to be a rotation. And then we're going to have from T to T triple prime. So since it's still facing the same way, that one is just going to be a translation. So it's like a slide. All right. Remember, rotations. Rotate, counter, clockwise. That means they rotate this way. That's good to know. All right, you guys, that is it for the Unit 2 on transformations.